Digital.
Léinn le Rory Radio Rira.
Radio Rira.
Díomh is mis Rory agus fáilte go léinn an bodcréile seo dheoidh tú na PC éasfear an glóir léinn Radio Rira chumh le rudí spéisiúla nach bhuaithí tú áit bith eile. Éiste seachlum léinn Radio Rira agus cuine súil an bodcréile de agalamh cluichí agus play.
Radio Rira.
With Easter just gone by, nothing divided opinions more than the announcement of a newly introduced Easter egg. Mars announced a new Bounty Easter egg that will be hitting shelves in time for the big day. It has a milk chocolate egg with small pieces of coconut in it, along with 2 Bounty bars. This had a controversial impact online, to say the least, so I took this question to some people to see what their opinions were.
Is the egg itself made of Bounty? Is it?
It's a chocolate egg, but there's bits of coconut in it, and then obviously you get 2 Bounty bars with it.
Okay, well, because usually, are you sure there's coconut in the egg? Because usually with a Rolo egg, there's no gooey inside.
Okay, well, according to all the memes I saw on Facebook, there is.
Okay, I don't like Bounty bars myself, but let people enjoy their disgusting foods.
I actually really like Bounty, so I'm really excited for the new Bounty Easter egg. I think I don't understand people's issue with it at all. Everyone just seems to have this absolute hatred towards coconuts, and that really upsets me. But no, I asked my parents to buy that for me for Easter anyway, so fingers crossed.
I think the new proposed Bounty Easter egg for this year is not a great idea. I don't know a lot of people who like Bounty. If the Easter egg was chocolate with a Bounty bar, maybe, but the coconut is going to be through the Easter egg, so I personally wouldn't buy it, but maybe there's some Bounty lovers out there who will.
I hadn't heard about it before, but it sounds exciting. I like a bit of coconut. I don't know what everyone has about coconut and chocolate, but I'm looking forward to it. It should be nice.
I think it's disgraceful. Bounty is one of the worst chocolates that could exist, so them making an Easter egg of it, I think, is just horrendous.
I think Bounty bars are disgusting, and people who like Bounty bars are generally disgusting as well. So I think the Easter egg's going to be equally as disgusting.
Radio Rira.